Hello everyone, we are from final year project group 6. Today we are presenting the conference paper Tracking and Managing of Cryptocurrency Wallet. We picked this study because it tackles the same three things our project cares about. Live crypto data, clear investor tools, and strong wallet security. So as we speak, think of this paper as a roadmap we can plug straight into our final year project. So let's move on. This work came from the Department of Information Technology at GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management in India. The authors are Rishik Yadev, Anurag Sharma, Sachin Kumar, and Paramita De, whose index is 6. They presented it at the International Conference on Advances in Modern Aid Technologies for Health and Engineering Science, held on 16th and 17th of May 2024. Crypto use keeps climbing. China's ranks grassroots adoption higher every year, with billions in on-chain volume worldwide. In 2024, consumer survey found 28% of Americans now own some crypto. People love it because blockchains allow instant, border-free, decentralized payments. But two key dangers stand out in the paper. Typos in wallet addresses. If you mistype even one character, the checksum still gives about a 1 in 4 billion chance of creating another valid address. So the coins are gone. High profit wallet tax. The 2017 parity Ethereum incident. So attackers drained over $30 million by exploiting a smart contract bug. Traditional finance dashboard don't address these crypto specific trends. That is why this paper and our project focus on purpose-built crypto management tools. The study proposes a full management site that helps investors track, analyze, and protect their crypto. Its four core objectives are use real-time data tracking and analysis. They pull live prices and volumes from the 3.0 API. Assist investors in making wise selections. Tables, filters, and displays turn raw number into clear choices. Prioritize user data protection and bycrypt handshake. Bycrypt adds a unique salt and runs slowly by design as recommended by the Open Worldwide Application Security Project Foundation. Provide performance graphs and live stats for many coins. Interactive charts shown 24-hour, 7-day, and yearly trends. Exactly what traders need before hitting buy or sell. So why we chose this paper was those same 4 points. Live data, smart guidance, bycrypt security, and clear visuals are the backbone of our AI trading board. By studying this work, we are not starting from scratch. We are standing up to date peer-reviewed shoulders. So, and I will hand over to Pasan to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachita. Before developing their system, authors conducted through a literature review to understand the current landscape and identify key challenges. Their research highlighted several critical areas. First, they confirmed that the effective risk management in the volatile crypto space isn't just about picking one winner, but about diversification. Spreading investments across various assets is crucial. They also found that the accounting for estimation risk, inherent errors is predicting the future returns is a significant factor in successful portfolio management. Also, the review showed that the field is advancing with research exploring complex tools like deep reinforcement learning for optimizing trading strategies. On practical side, the review pointed to need for better regulatory framework for ensure stability and security. It also underscored that the importance of strong focus on security and tracking using techniques like blockchain analysis to protect users. And finally, the analysis of existing tools revealed that the many current solutions have clear areas for improvements. Essentially, this research confirmed a clear gap between market for comprehensive, secure, and user-friendly management platform, which exactly what this paper is aimed to provide. So to build this solution, the authors choose a modern and robust technology stack. The core objective was to develop an all-in-one portfolio management system. At its heart, its main stack. For database, uh, it is using MongoDB, Express.js for backend framework, React for user interface, and Node.js for runtime environment. This stack was chosen specifically for robustness and scalability, making it ideal for managing complex data and creating a dynamic user interface. To ensure the user experience, they integrated two key libraries, Material UI for creating polished modern look and feel, and Canvas.js for delivering the interactive charts and data visualization that user needed. And now let's look at the technologies that were organized into system architecture. As you can see, it's a classic three-tier model, which cleanly separate the different concerns of the application. At top, we have presentation tier, which is everything that user sees and interacts with. In middle, the business logic tier, which is the core engine and handles all the processing and authentication and tools. And the bottom, the data ingestion tier connects the external sources, in this case, the CoinGecko API, to pull in live market data. This gives us a big picture. Now let's dive into the specifics of what each tier is responsible for. Starting with presentation tier in the left, it is where the users interactive dashboards visualize market data and manage their portfolio. Importantly, distinguish between the guest user who can only view data, authenticated user who get full functionality like creating portfolio and executing trades. In the business logic tier is the center and the brain of the operation. It handles critical functions like secure user authentication and the core logic for portfolio management and risk assessment and security processing or transactions. It is also built to ensure the system reliability and high performance. Finally, data ingestion tier is the right is all about data. It's responsible for connecting to CoinGecko API to get real-time and historical data. It processes market intelligence like tracking, market cap, and price movement. And also, it includes the data quality checks to ensure the information presented in user is always accurate and reliable. So, the well-defined architecture built on this merge that forms a foundation for entire system. It's designed to secure, scalable, and rich with real-time data. I will hand over to Sajid to Bhanuka, who will take you through the methodology and more details focusing on how these components were implemented, especially in terms of data collections and security. Thank you.
Thank you, Fasan. So here onwards, I'm going to explain about the methodology section details and how the system was built. So I'm Anjana. Let's move on. Uh, uh, a crucial first step was data collection. As mentioned, the system utilizes the CoinGecko API. This API provides data over 100 cryptocurrencies, including market capitalization, price, and trending volumes in a consistent format. This ensures the information presented to the users is both current and reliable. Uh, uh, for uh, for the user interface and user experience, the team leveraged Material UI. This is the React component library that implements Google Material Design. Using pre-built component allows for rapid development of visually appealing and intuitive interface with features like coin search, sorting, and filtering. Uh, Effective data visualization is key for users to understand market trends and portfolio performance. The paper employs Canva.js for this purpose. Canva.js is a charting library that goes integrated to generate interactive graphs and charts, show the performance of individual coins over various time frames such as 24 hours, 7 days, and 1 year. This allows users to make informed decisions by easily visualizing trends and patterns. Uh, this slide explains the authentication with bcrypt. Security is a paramount, especially when dealing with the financial information. Uh, when dealing with financial information, the same system implements robust authentication using bcrypt. Bcrypt is a reputable password hashing library known for its strength. Its key features highlighted are strong security. It's a computationally intensive, make it resistant to brute force and dictionary attacks. Salting uh, incorporates unique random sort of each password before hashing. This is a stored alongside the hash, significantly increasing the security against the pre-computed hash table like rainbow tables. Show hashing means it's intentionally designed for slow, further hindering the offline attack attempts. The process involves user registration, which means the user's plain text password combines with a random sort uh, is hashed using bcrypt and the hash and sort are stored. Then authentication, which means the entered password is hashed using the stored and result is compared with stored hash. Password updates follow similar process with the new salt and hash. The paper also mentioned setting appropriate cost factor for bcrypt to balance security and performance. Now I'll pass to Vishal to discuss the experimental result and conclusions. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjana. So this slides show will experiment results, conclusion, and future work in the this paper. So this development resulted in fully functional portfolio management and tracking website. So key features in the demonstrated includes real-time data display for more than 100 different cryptocurrencies showing market cap, trading volume, and price changes. And well as for the second point, we can see that detailed individual coin pages. For each coin page, we can see that historical data, price trends, and other relevant informations that are given in the each coin. So those can be seen in the two figures in the left and right side. So, and well as we can see that real-time graphing functionality. That this has using Canvas.js, this allows users to find the coin performance for the 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, and 1 years. So likewise, you can users can see the performance of the each coin. So what are the conclusions that we can get from this implementation? One is that this is the MERN-based portfolio management system that is more user-friendly for users, and well as integrated real-time data from CoinGecko API, providing the up-to-date information for the numerous cryptocurrencies, and well as implemented dynamic data visualization using Canvas.js. As earlier explained, we can see that for the 1 day, 7 days, and likewise you can see that how is the coin varies, and also the ensure user data security using the bicrypt password hashing that gives the more security for users, and well as and this paper shows that for the system, this system provides in necessary portfolio and uh, volatile crypto markets security. So let's go for the future works and enhancement that can be implemented in this. So one is that implementing machine learning and artificial intelligence for predictive analytics or personalized recommendations. So and well as exploring the blockchain style solutions for enhanced security and transparency, and well as integrating with decentralized finance protocols and providing the tailored portfolio management recommendation based on each individual investment objectives and risk tolerance, and adding the complex trading features to limit the orders and stop loss orders. So overall, this paper presents that particular approach that building much needed for cryptocurrency investors, combining modern technologies with the strong focus, usability and security. So uh, for this presentation, we use tracking and managing of the cryptocurrency wallet that is uh, published published in the conference. So thank you for your attention. I hope you gain some knowledge. So leave a comment. Thank you.